All right, looks like today we have an average question. Let's see what we have here. The average of t, u, and v is 14, and the average of 2u and 2v is 30. What's the value of t? They've given us some answers. Why don't you pause the video, think about it, see what you can do with it. We'll come back and get this one solved. All right, so let's see what we have. Average. I'm pretty sure everyone knows what that is, right? You just add them all up and divide by how many. We learned that in elementary school. However, I think what gives kids pause here a lot of times, it's not numbers, it's letters. Never fear. Just do the same thing you would do as if they were numbers. Take it step by step. Let's see. So the average of t, u, and v is 14. How do I find the average of three numbers? I add them up. I divide by 3, and that will give me my average. So I just set that equal to 14. I would always do that, and then what I would do is I would just clear the fraction out, right? So let's just multiply both sides by 3. If we do that, we end up with, what's that, 42. All right, so we dealt with that step. Let's take it to the next step. The average of 2u and 2v is 30. I just do the same thing. It's just 2u plus 2v, there are two numbers. I divide by 2, and I get 30. Do the same thing again, just like we got the fraction out there. Let's get it out here. I multiply both sides by 2, and I get that to be what? 60? And you can probably see from here, I mean, now you have a couple things. We have a couple things going for us here. We have that, and we have that, so we're pretty close. I would always, SAT, ACT, you're always just trying to simplify, simplify, simplify. If I saw this, you know, it might make sense to just divide each piece by 2, which would just give us what? U plus V is 30. And now we should have it, because we know if U plus V is 30, and U plus V plus T is 42, well, I don't know what U and V are individually. It doesn't really matter. I just know that they add to 30. So that really looks like T plus 30 is 42. Move the 30 to the other side. We get T to be 12. And there you go.